So if I fly too far, will I still have a place inside your heart? When you see I'll become home.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Gianyar, and thank you so much for joining today's trip. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Ni Luh Made Septiani, but you can simply call me Septi. I would like to be your tour guide today, and I'm very happy to accompany you on this journey. How are you all feeling today? Excited? That's wonderful. Today, we're going to explore one of Bali's hidden gems. You know what it is? Exactly, the beautiful Temesi Waterfall. I promise this will be a refreshing experience away from the busy tourist areas. So, get ready to enjoy both of nature and culture in one journey. Temesi Waterfall is located in Temesi village, only about 10 minutes from the center of Gianyar. This makes it very easy to reach, yet still hidden from the crowd. Unlike other popular waterfalls in Bali, such as Taganungan or Yukachipong, Temesi is quieter and more natural. So you can really enjoy the peaceful atmosphere here. Entrance fee is also very affordable, just 20,000 rupiah for domestic visitor and 30,000 rupiah for foreign visitor. This contribution helps the local community to maintain the clean lines and beauty of the waterfall. So, when you buy the ticket, you're also supporting local efforts in preserving nature. As we make our way down to the waterfall, please watch your step carefully. The path includes some stair and dirt trails. During the rainy season, it can be a little slippery. But don't worry, the walk is not too long. It will only take 5 to 10 minutes. Alright, let me share something interesting with you. Temesi village is not only known for this waterfall, but also for its community's strong connection to Balinese traditions. The villagers often hold religious ceremonies in the temples around here, and you might notice offerings placed along the way. These small offerings, called chanasari, are symbols of gratitude to the God for harmony between human nature and the spiritual world. Before we continue, let me share with you a little history of the Temesi Waterfall. The Temesi Waterfall has been known by the local villagers for many years. In the past, it was not a tourist place. The people of Temesi used this river and water as their main water source for farming, bathing, and also for traditional ceremonies. For the Balinese, water is very important. It is not only for daily needs, but also for spiritual life. Water is seen as tirtha or holy water, which bring blessing and harmony. That's it why this waterfall has always been respected by the community. Later, when visitors start to notice the beauty of the hidden spot, the villager decided to open it as a small tourist destination. But they also made a clear rules. Everyone who comes here must keep this place clean and respect the nature, just like the villagers do. Thanks to this, Temesi Waterfall is still natural, calm, and special until today. As you can see, you can buy the ticket here. For your information, for the foreign visitor, only pay for 13,000 rupiah, and for domestic, only pay for 20,000 rupiah. As a local visitor, only pay 10,000 rupiah. Let's continue our trip. And here we are, the Temesi Waterfall. As you can see in front of you is the Temesi Waterfall. Isn't it beautiful? The waterfall is about 15 meters high, and after rainy season, the water becomes even shallower. There's a moment to listen to the sound of the water hitting the rock. It creates a calming and refreshing natural rhythm, almost like whistling from nature itself. If you close your eyes, you can really feel the coolness of the air and the peaceful energy around you. Okay, now let's close our eyes and enjoy the atmosphere here. Alright, how do you feel? Do you feel calm when you hear the sound of falling water? The waterfall is still very clean and well preserved. The credit goes to the local community who work hard to protect this area. They believe that nature is sacred that should always be respected. Ladies and gentlemen, we should now reach the end of our tour at the Temesi Waterfall. I hope you have enjoyed the natural beauty and the fresh atmosphere and the peaceful surroundings here. Thank you very much for your time, attention, and participation during this trip. I truly appreciate your enthusiasm and positive energy. Before we leave, please make sure you have all of your belongings with you. Let us also remember to always protect and respect nature, so that this place will remain beautiful for future generations. On behalf of the team, I wish you a safe journey and a wonderful day ahead. See you again on the next adventure. Bye bye!